One new Manford Super Precision 520 EVSL milling machine made in Taiwan, weighing 3,600 pounds. Featuring 58 by 11 table, 38 inches of longitudinal travel, 16 inches of cross travel, 18 inches of vertical travel, and 22 inches of ram travel. 40 taper spindle. Variable speed from 60 to 3,600 RPM via an AC frequency inverter and back gear with digital RPM display. Three power feeds on quill. Five horsepower spindle motor with 220 three-phase electrical certified to CSA SPE 1000. Hardened ground table. Hardened boxways on cross and vertical axes. Equipped with pendant control. Rapid traverse on vertical axis. Longitudinal power feed. Power drawbar. Coolant system complete with chip tray. Automatic lubrication. Halogen light. Jacking screws and pads.